In this video, I'm going to provide you a quick update on my journey from $0 to $10,000 per month with a brand new YouTube channel. So as I've been mentioning over the last few weeks, every Saturday, I'm going to provide you an update or 52 updates essentially from going from $0 to $10,000 per month with a brand new YouTube channel. On some of the videos, I'm actually not going to show my face. I'm going to show you the complete journey. And what we do every weekend is I talk about what I do for the previous week, what I plan to do for the next week, and encourage you to join the Discord. Now, I do have a paid Discord. It's $9.99 per month. In that Discord, you actually get to see the YouTube channel. So you actually get to see when I'm uploading brand new videos. You actually get to see more in-depth progress. You get to see numbers. You get to see all of it. So if you want to see the actual behind the scenes, how to take a brand new YouTube channel from 0 to 10K per month, I encourage you to join the Discord. If you don't want to join the Discord, obviously that's fine. You can also just watch these videos every Saturday. Now, the Discord is paid simply to just keep the riffraff out, and what I'll be doing at the end of the 52 weeks, regardless of how much money I make, I'll actually be raffling that money off to the people that are within the Discord. So if I have 1,000 people in the Discord and there's a pot of $9,000, we'll say, that money will be raffled off to the people that are within the Discord. So I'm not including the money from the Discord as the amount of money that I make with this brand new YouTube channel. The purpose of this journey is basically just to show you that anybody can go from 0 to 10K with a YouTube channel, and it's to encourage you to get going as well. Some people need like an accountability buddy, and use these videos as your accountability buddy. So if you are hesitant to start a YouTube channel, you are nervous or scared for whatever reason, I'll be your accountability buddy. So I'm uploading every Saturday. I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing, how much money I've made, how many email subscribers, the whole thing. So I kind of ramble through that just to say, this is your opportunity to get going. If you've been hesitant for whatever reason, you've been stagnant, you started a YouTube channel, however, you stopped for whatever reason, this is your opportunity. This is your sign to get up and running. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about my channel. In the Discord, the paid Discord, you see the exact channel name. On Saturdays, you will not see the channel name. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this. Let's quickly talk about what my process is. I'm uploading 4 long-form videos every single week. Okay, long-form videos are typical YouTube videos. In addition, I'm doing 1 YouTube short every single day. I'm also uploading to TikTok as well as Pinterest, even though I haven't started Pinterest yet, just simply because I don't have enough videos to get up and running. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see on the screen here, I took a screenshot of my traffic so far. Currently, I have 2.5 thousand views, and I have 11 hours of watch time. Now, admittedly, most of the views and watch time have come from YouTube Shorts. So this is another indicator that if you have not started YouTube Shorts yet, you need to start YouTube Shorts, because they are taking any content and they're putting it on the YouTube Short shelf, and they're putting it in front of people that are potentially going to be interested in your content. And I also, while I have you, let's talk about my TikTok. I have 2 followers on TikTok, and I have 2 likes. So things are going decently well on TikTok as well. My most viewed video has 199 views. Not a lot, but again, we're starting to build. And what we need to continuously do is just keep uploading. Quite honestly, I find it kind of challenging to upload these videos both on YouTube and TikTok, because it's really difficult starting over. It's really difficult to build that momentum, and so I kind of have to force myself to upload on these 2 platforms. But once you start seeing a little bit of success, it'll become easier. So I understand exactly how you feel. If you're having a tough time just uploading and forcing yourself to do it, just know that the more you upload and the more consistently you upload, the better it will be for yourself. And again, use me as your accountability buddy. Okay, Alston started a brand new channel. He's got, as you can see, 2,000 views and 11 hours of watch time. He's starting off from scratch. He's starting off from the beginning. I can get up and running too. So yeah, no, I have to admit, it's very difficult to get up and start creating content on a brand new channel when you have no subscribers and you have no views and you feel like you're just kind of talking to yourself. But you're gonna have to keep going, keep pushing through if you want what the ultimate goal is, and that's to make 10K per month. What I'll be doing for the beginning of next week is I'll be writing more emails because I am going to send everybody to an email opt-in. I'm going to be creating more videos. I got to continue to upload 4 videos per week, for long-form videos per week. And I've had to continue uploading the YouTube Shorts because the YouTube Shorts are going to be a real driver. Last week on this channel, I talked about how YouTube Shorts is going to do a better job of leading to your long-form content. Right now, if you think about what YouTube wants and needs, YouTube wants to push people to long-form content because that's where their ad dollars come in. And so YouTube has figured out their algorithm in a way that if people are watching your YouTube Shorts and engaging with YouTube Shorts on your channel, they're going to also start recommending long-form content that's from your channel. And that's going to be really powerful for you to get up and running. And that's why I'm a huge proponent of uploading your YouTube Shorts onto YouTube. So yeah, no, the plan for next week is to continue to upload, make more content, create more emails, because I think I only have 1 or 2 set up, and continue to find different ways to grow the channel. And I'm going to get up and running with Pinterest. I've already created a Pinterest account and all of that stuff. I just need to upload Pinterest pins because I think that's going to be another driver. Now, as I've mentioned in a few different videos, the goal is using TikTok and Pinterest to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. And then in my YouTube channel, I'll have a link to my landing page in the description of all my videos. And that's really the purpose. And that's how I'm going to achieve 10K. And to just clarify a little bit, my plan for earning 10K includes the YouTube Partner Program, as well as affiliate marketing, brand deals, and sponsorships if those come along. When I create a digital product, it encompasses everything, not just the YouTube Partner Program. And I wanted to make sure that I was clear about that it's not just YPP. So I'm hoping to start making money by the end of October, whether it's with affiliate marketing or selling a digital product. That's my vision and my goal for this month, is to start making some money so that can give me the encouragement that I need to progress forward. If you want to join and follow along, I recommend joining the Discord so that you can see behind the scenes and you can really get a feel and understanding of what I'm doing and what I'm building. If you don't want to join the Discord, that's quite okay, obviously. Make sure that you like and subscribe and follow along, because I'll be uploading on every Saturday for 52 weeks, talking about, documenting, and highlighting my journey going from 0 to 10K per month with a brand new YouTube channel. Watch this video next to see what I did last week on the YouTube channel.